All right, it's Monday, and this video is going to explain what you're going to be doing today in class. I want to remind you that the flip book that was assigned on Thursday is due Wednesday. The GimKit test review should be done by Tuesday evening, and then your short answer practice for the test should already be submitted. I wanted to talk a little bit about that and kind of what I would be going over. And I'm not expecting you to memorize this. I should see nobody's answer. I'm not going to be posting this. I shouldn't see anyone's answer word for word the same as mine. I'm just going to explain kind of the detail that I would be, expecting. So you can look at how you answered the question compared to what I would say is a 10 out of 10. So if we go back to this, in red is where you would have had to change the answers. And this is sort of my level of excellent. Okay. You may not give this level of an excellent answer, but still receive, majority of the points. So I changed the primary job of the circulatory system is to pump blood and circulate oxygen through the body. It works with the respiratory system by, and I wanted you to give specific examples and specific organs. And I said, utilizing the lungs. The alveoli in the lungs picks up the oxygen. It transfers it to the red blood cells in the blood. Then the blood circulates it. The blood picks up CO2 and brings it back to the lungs. So I clearly explained. It also works with the excretory system by using the kidneys to filter the blood, taking out the urea and waste products and the extra water to be excreted from the body. And then the respiratory and excretory systems are also connected. They both work to excrete waste products. For example, the lungs excrete carbon dioxide, water, and heat. The excretory system also excretes other waste through urine, skin, and the liver. There's several paths to a 10 out of 10 answer. This is one. And I don't want you to memorize this. I'm not posting it. I'm just showing you, hey, this is the level of, hey, if I want to get a full 10 points, this is, some kind of what my answer needs to look like. And if you look at your answer and you might say, hey, I didn't, talk about specific organs, or I was really, really vague and Miss Barnett wants me to be more specific. So I wanted to point that out to you. I'm not posting this, but if you need to rewatch this video and pause it, you totally can. But I should not see anyone's answer, on the test to be a reflection of word for word mine. That's not the point of this. So what you're doing today, the first thing is you are going to have an opportunity to take a practice test. And this practice test counts as a daily grade. Okay. This will be available to you, and I want to show you the settings here. And what the requirements are for the practice test. So first of all, it will count as a daily grade. You can take it up to 3 times. Your grade will be the highest score you get on any of the attempts. Okay, you cannot use your notes on any. No notes. You may look at the questions between attempts and see what you got wrong, but the answers are not going to be provided. Okay, so up to 3 times. So you take it one time, I would definitely study it. You may not write the answers down for the next part for the second attempt. This is a daily grade. That is dishonest. You're not allowed to do that. And you're not allowed to use notes. You can take it up to 3 times. Once you finish that, your assignment that you're working on is a gizmo on Explore Learning, exploring bones and muscles and how they work together for our next unit. So that is here 7.9. You open up the attached Google Doc, which has all of the instructions, and you will follow that and use the explorelearning.com. It doesn't matter to me if you're kind of working in small groups on that part, but you have to be done with the practice quiz. And I will be back. Okay, I'll be back on Tuesday. If you have any questions, you can come ask me in study hall. So thanks.